Whoa!
Isn't it cool?
Yeah!
It's snowing. In a jar? Today we're turning into scientists and creating our very own blizzard at Yang Fan Preschool.
This is a baby oil.
Big oil! Baby oil! Who's baby oil?
Oh,
We've got some secret ingredients: Alka Seltzer, baby oil, white paint, and a bit of water.
what is this?
Water.
Water and
Water.
white color, nut milk.
Ooh!
So what do you think it's going to mix?
A snowman.
So what we are going to do? In one whole tablet, I don't want to put the whole tablet because it's going to start dancing. So I'm going to put a little bit of tablet,
That's
1/4 of the
different.
tablet in here, and now watch what happens to the white, because it's going to react with the.
Let's see what happens when we mix them all together.
Can you see something?
Yeah.
What?
Whoa! Check out that fizzing action. The Alka Seltzer makes it bubble and swirl, just like a real snowstorm. It's like magic in a jar. Science is so cool.